Hello everyone. So I hope you're doing well. And my previous video was on the number system, which was the chapter number 1, and I told I will complete the whole series of the grade 9 maths syllabus, right? So I hope you like that video. If you didn't watch that video, first look at that video, okay? And for your reference part or for your revision part before the examination, you can watch the video, and by the help of the only single video, you can cover up the all chapter, all topics and all, whichever covered in the chapter. So, today's topic will be what the second chapter. What is that? That is polynomials. Okay. In this chapter, we will talk about the every things whatever is in there in the chapter. Okay. So let's start with first the content part. Like what are the content parts here? So the first part will be the definition of this one, definition of polynomials and all. Okay. Then types of polynomial. Okay. After types, then we will cover the zeros of polynomial. Okay, then after zeros of polynomial we will cover up next one. Okay, based on the zeros of this one, verify the factors. See, this part will be the example part mainly, so I will take the example in this topic. Okay, after that remainder theorem will be there, remainder theorem, then factor theorem will be there, then after factor theorem what will come? See, in this polynomial chapter it is very important, because if you mug up now in grade 9 only, the things will be repeated again and again in grade 10 also, grade 11 and grade 12. So mainly this chapter will be helpful for your future also. So if the basics are clear, it's better to you go for it's better to just clear up now only. Okay, it's more better, fine. So after that one, the algebraic identities are there in this one. So mainly these only topics are there which is more important in this chapter. Okay, after that no, nothing. I'm just taking the confirmation from the part and all. So I'm just checking what are the things here. Okay, now, so these are the only things are here. Okay, so first we should start with the definition parts. Let's cover with the definition part, then we will come to types. Okay, now let's start. Take a new page. Okay, so I told what is this C. So before starting that, I believe that everybody knows what is algebraic expression, right? So what is that? See, I will write. So combination of constant and variable term. Constant and variable term. Okay, so let me know what are the constant term, what is called constant and what is called variable. These both terms is what many of you knows already, but still I have to explain that. See, constant is what? Constants are example I'm taking all numbers 1 2 3 4 like that, which is having some value till infinite. Okay, and variable is what? Variable is what? Any alphabet like A to Z, which is the value is not fixed. We can take any value. See, A is there, no any values is there, right? But we can assume any values of that one. So A to Z, whatever alphabets we will use, that is a variable term. So if we talk about example of algebraic expression, the topic, so what is that called? For example, we have assume one variable x and we will add 1 here. So first one is what? This one is C, variable, this one is constant. Is it a combination of both variable and constant, right? So that is called as algebraic expression. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Let's take another example. Example number 2. We can take any alphabets. I will take Z plus 3. See, again it is a variable and this one is a constant. Again it is a combination. So what it means? Again it is a algebraic expression. So I hope you understand what is that algebraic expression, right? So let's switch to the next topic. See, we will cover up the topics mainly by somehow I will be fast, because If you will take too much time, the video will be lengthier, right? Now, types of polynomial. Now see, first one is zero polynomial, okay? Now second one, linear. Third one, quadratic. See, I'm just increasing. See, I will let you know by the example part also, okay? Don't worry about it. Each and every things will be explained in very deep, so don't worry about it. Just you have to do one thing, you have to watch the full video, because like every topic is connected with another one. So if you will skip anything, you will get issues. And the last one is cubic polynomial. Now 4 types are there in the polynomial part. Types of polynomial. First is a 0 1. Let's take example, okay? Assume we have a number 1, 2, 3 or any number till infinite. All constant terms are what? These are the 0 polynomial. See, 1 is 0 polynomial, 2 is 0 polynomial, 3 is 0 polynomial, or any number that is a 0 polynomial. I will let you know why we are like taking the constant values as 0 polynomial, okay? Many of you knows already, but still everything I have to explain, if it is a easy one also or if it is a tough one also, okay? Now take a linear one. Now see, I wrote x plus 1, okay? Now here x is there, right? What is the power of x? Assume 1 is there by default, right? So here is the x power 1, that wise it is a linear. Linear stands for what? 1. Keep in mind, linear stands for what? 1. Now assume we have z plus 3. Again z power is what? 1 only. Again it is a linear. These are example of linear. Now same way, what will be the example of quadratic? Can we write x square plus 1? See, now power is what? X power is what? 2. Quadratic stands for what? 2 only. That wise it is a quadratic. Now we have a square plus 5. Again a power is what? 2 only. So it is again quadratic. And same way cubic, what will be there? X cube plus 4 I will write. So again x power is 3. Cubic stands for what? 3 only. So these are the examples, like how to find which is 0 polynomial, which is linear, which is quadratic, which is cubic, like that. We can distinguish between that. Is it okay? Now, so let's switch to next topic. So where I wrote the content pattern, I'm just checking it, like where I wrote, yeah, here. Now see, so in this one we had covered up the types also. Now come to zeros of polynomial. How to find this? Now take a new page. See, now I will write zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. Okay, see, assume the question is like this. See, this topic we can cover up by the example part only, okay? So we have like this one. See, verify whether -2 and +2 are the zeros of polynomial x square minus 2. Assume we have a polynomial what? X square minus 2. We have a 2 values given, okay? We have to just put and check. If we are getting 0, then what it mean? I will let you know. See, for example, first take the value 2, okay? Let's take a -2 value. Now we have a polynomial, so I will write a polynomial as a px x square minus 2. Now take this -2 value and put in x. So see, -2 whole square minus 2, okay? Now -2 whole square is what? 4. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. See, we are getting a one, like any values. 2 we are getting, right? So 2 is not, if we are getting any other values rather than 0, that means it is not a 0 for a polynomial. Okay, let's check for 2. Again take a px. We have a polynomial x square minus 2. Put the value. Again see, 2 only getting. So it is again not a 0 of the polynomial. So what we will write the statement? So -2 and +2 is not a zeros of the px. Px stands for what? Polynomial, okay? If we will get 0 only, then that value is a polynomial of that. See, I will take the one example for the better understanding, okay? let's take a new page. Okay, assume we have a question, verify whether -1 and +1 is a zero of polynomial x square plus 1, or take x square minus 1. Okay, I will take this x square, I'll just erase it, wait 2 minutes. Yeah, x square minus 1. Now we have a px value, what? X square minus 1, right? What is the x value? So first we'll check for -1. Put -1, 1 minus 1, 0. See, we got the 0. That means this -1 is a 0 of a polynomial x square minus 1. That is the main part. Now let's check for +1. Okay, again 1 square minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So what will write the statement? So -1 and +1 are the zeros of polynomial. Which polynomial? You have to write the polynomial also. So x square minus 1. You have to write the statement like this. If you are getting 0, then that is a 0 of the polynomial. If you are getting rather than 0, that is not a 0 of that polynomial. That's all. See, by the topic only you can able to understand that 0 it is there, zeros. So what it means? Answer should be 0. Otherwise it is not a 0 of a polynomial. Is it okay? Understood? I believe that you can able to understand, right? Let's take another example, or either let's switch to the next topic. It's better. So now see, verify the factors. Okay, fine. We'll do this now. Verify the factors. Now see. Yeah. Now factors. Okay. So see, by the help of this only we will first we'll discuss the factor theorem. Okay. By help of that only we will cover up the factors also. Same thing is there. So assume we have a px here. Px is a polynomial. First write some theory part, then we'll switch to the example part. Okay, px is a polynomial here, and gx is a factor. Okay, and where x should be equal to or greater than a we will take any value. Okay, and x should be greater than that one. When px is equal to 0, see, just now we studied that if px is equal to 0, you are getting that is the zeros of the polynomial, right? Same thing is there in the factor theorem also. If px we have a polynomial, gx is a factor. Okay, if we will put that, and if the px value is getting 0, what it mean? This mean that gx is a factor of polynomial px. See, I wrote the statement also. See, if you are getting 0 as an answer, what it means? Gx is a factor of a polynomial. Done? Now let's take an example. Here only I will take the example. So example, we have, assume we have a px value as p minus, okay, no, x minus 1. Okay, and gx value as x plus 1. Assume we have a question like this. Okay, so see, this one is a polynomial, this one is a factor. Here we don't have a value of x, right? We just have a factor. How to find the value of x? See, whatever is the gx value, gx is what? X plus 1, right? Equate with 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0. X value is what? Minus 1. See here, you got the value of x here. Now take the value and put in the polynomial. So p minus 1. So put the p minus 1 minus 1. Now minus 2. See, you're getting what? Minus 2. What it mean? Gx is not the factor of px. That's all. You got it? If you will get 0 here, that means gx is a factor of px. Okay, let's take another example. We will get it more understand. Okay, assume we have a px value as x square plus 2. Okay, and gx value is or either take assume here this one is, I will write, wait just 2 minutes, I have to rub. Yeah, so x plus 4, and we will take a gx value as x plus 2. Okay, what to do now? First take a gx is equal to 0. So gx value is what? X plus 2 equal to 0. X value is what? Minus 2, right? Done? Okay, and here I will just erase one thing more. I will write here minus. Okay, now take a px value. Px value is what? X square minus 4, right? Now take this x value and put in this one. So minus 2 whole square 4. 4 minus 4. What if we got? 0. So gx is factor of px. See, you got 0 now. That means gx is a factor of px. If you are not getting 0, that means gx is not a factor of px. I think is it understood, right? Good. Okay, let's switch to next topic. Okay, now we have a remainder theorem. This one is what? This one is division. Okay, assume we have a px value. By the help of example only we will solve. We will able to understand. Okay, x square plus 1. Okay, gx value is x only. Okay, now start dividing. See, take the gx part outside, px part inside. So x square plus 1. Okay, now see, whatever is the first term, here is first term is what? X square. Whatever is the first term, I am just repeating it again. First term, make a note of it. First term, you have to make it 0 every time. It is compulsory. Make it 0. See, x square is there, right? Here is x. What we will multiply with this x to get x square? If you think, what is that? X only. See, x into x, what is that? X square, right? Sure? Good. Now see, after writing the same values, change the sign. See, so here is plus x square, here is minus x square. What is answer? 0 only. Plus 1 will come down. You can't divide now. What is answer? So quotient will be what? Quotient will be x, remainder will be 1. Like this we have to understand. See, I will write the big example also. Let's take a big one. Assume we have px value as x cube plus 2x square plus x. Let's take a big value, okay? And gx value is x minus 1. Assume we have like this, okay? Now what I told, gx value you have to take it outside, px value inside. Okay, I am done with this, right? Now again we have our first value, what? X cube. See, x cube is there. This one, x cube is there, right? Now you have to apply with x. What you will apply? If you will multiply x into x square, what you will get? X cube, right? Done. Now you have to multiply with minus 1 also. So minus 1 into x square. Minus x square. Done. Now change the symbol. Negative. See, this one was the positive, right? Become negative. And negative become positive. Now this again cancel. We got 0. Now here plus 2x square and plus x square. What is answer? Plus 3x square, right? Now this term will come down. So plus x. Done. Now we have here 3x square. Again we have to make it 0. Now here we have x. What will apply? Can we apply plus 3x? See, x into 3x is what? 3x square only. Okay, minus 1 into 3x is what? Minus 3x. Again change the symbol. Cut down, make it 0. Every time whatever is a first term, you have to make it 0. That is compulsory, okay? Now here plus x plus 3x. What is answer? Plus 4x. Done. Now here is x, here is 4x. What we can apply? Plus 4, apply that. See, so plus 4x we got, and minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Done. Again change the symbol, cut down. What is answer? 4 only here. Okay, so you got the remainder. We can't divide now, leave it. What is the quotient? X square plus 3x plus 4, and the remainder is what? 4 only. That's all. So I think you got it, right? Good. Now let's switch to next topic. The topic is finding the factors by splitting the terms. By this topic only we will conclude the video, and the remaining topic we will take in part 2. Okay, I don't want the video should be the linear one. Okay, let's switch. So here the question is, assume we have a px value x square plus x minus 2. Assume we have a value like this. Okay, here what we need to do, find the factors by splitting the terms. Okay, we have to find the factor of this quadratic equation. This one is a quadratic, right? The power is what? 2 only, na? So that is quadratic, right? Now how to do it? See, x square plus x is a question, minus 2 is a question, right? Okay, you have to think about the first term and the last term. Multiply that. X square into 2, what is that? 2x square, right? This thing keep in mind. What you need to do, you have to split the middle term only. Okay, how to split that? See, after splitting, either addition or subtraction should be the x only, but the multiplication should be that 2x square. How to do it? See, can we split this like this way? See, minus x plus 2x. Okay, what is answer? Plus x only. And if you will multiply this both, what you will get? 2x square. You got it? Write the remaining term, minus 2. Now take the common. So from these both you will take a common, and then these both you will take a common. So x minus 1 here and 2 here, so x minus 1 again here. See, x minus 1, x minus 1. So x minus 1 write like this, and x and plus 2. So x plus 2 is the second factor. This is the first factor, this is the second factor. Again I am writing down the second example. Let's take a second example. Assume we have x square plus what we can write. We will take x square plus 4x minus 4. Okay, we have a question like this. Again multiply this first term and second term. What is answer? 4x square, right? This one keep in mind. Now you have to split only the middle term. How to split that? You should get the multiplication of the both terms should be 4x square. Can you split this way? 2x plus 2x, is it 4x square? And the addition is also 4x, same thing. Now minus 4 as it is. Now take the common from this, so x plus 2, and here take minus 2 common, x plus 2 again, same thing, right? Like wait 2 minutes. Here I will make it addition only. It will be like easy for you. Wait, addition only. This one is addition. Okay, so from this term we made the like common, so it is x plus 2, and from this term we took 2 common, x plus 2 again. See, x plus 2 one factor, and this one x plus 2 same, 2 factors. The factor can be same, no issues for that. So this one is the first factor, this one is the second factor. Done. So like this way you can able to solve, and the remaining topic, which one single topic is remaining, that topic will be covered in part 2 of this chapter. Okay, let's conclude today, and like have a good day, and just follow the playlist of the videos, you will get it. Okay, thank you.